What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing Chapter 18, Problem 5 in the Fundamentals of Physics textbook, 8th edition by Gerald Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. Chapter 18 is all about temperature, heat, and the first law of thermodynamics. And in Problem 5, we were asked to find the temperature in which the Fahrenheit scale reading would be twice that of the Celsius reading, and when it would be half that of the Celsius reading. So we know that the relationship between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale is TF is equal to 9/5 TC plus 32. And so for part A, we are trying to find the temperature in Fahrenheit, in which it is 2 times the temperature in Celsius. And so we can just plug this right into here and say 2 TC is equal to 9/5 TC plus 32. And so we can move the 9/5 over to the other side by subtracting and say 2 TC minus 9/5 TC equals 32. And so 2 minus 9/5 is equal to 1/5 TC, which is equal to 32. And so if we multiply both sides by 5, we get that TC is equal to 160 degrees Celsius. And so TF is equal to 2 times TC, which is 2 times 160, which is equal to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's for part A. And then for part B, we're asked to find where TF is equal to half of TC. And so we can use the same equation. TF is equal to 9/5 TC plus 32. And so in this case, TF is equal to 1/2 TC. And so we can do the same thing, plug this right into here, and say 1/2 TC is equal to 9/5 TC plus 32. Again, subtract the 9/5 over, and we get 1/2 TC minus 9/5 TC equals 32. And so the math on this one's a little more difficult. And so 1/2 TC minus 9/5 TC is equal to negative 13 over 10 TC, which is equal to 32. And so we can multiply both sides by 10 and then divide both sides by negative 13. And that'll give us TC is equal to negative 32 times 10 over 13. And if you plug that into your calculator, you should get that equals negative 24.62 degrees C. And again, we know that TF is equal to 1/2 TC, which is equal to 1/2 of negative 24.62. And so in this case, TF is equal to negative 12.31 degrees Fahrenheit. And so that's pretty much it for this problem. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.